Welcome to our channel, where speed meets style and innovation rides on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Yamaha R9, a machine built to thrill and designed to dominate. As you take in a Yamaha R9 from the front, you're immediately struck by its aggressive stance and aerodynamic build. The sleek front fairing is sculpted to slice through the air, giving the bike a razor-sharp look that screams performance. Yamaha has stayed true to its racing DNA, with a low-set front that leans forward like a predator ready to pounce. The R9's chisel design is not just aesthetic. It's engineered for stability and airflow at high speeds. The color palette complements the stance, with bold graphics that enhance the sporty character. Subtle branding and angular contours add a layer of finesse. Overall, the front view sets the tone for a machine that's equal parts beast and beauty. From the low windscreen to the winglets that give it a MotoGP vibe, every detail at the front is purposeful. The central air intake, flanked by the headlamp units, adds to the symmetry and functionality. You can tell Yamaha prioritized both looks and lap times when crafting this machine. The mirrors are aerodynamic and positioned to reduce drag, while still offering decent rear visibility. There's a raw presence about the R9. It doesn't just sit still, it looks like it's always in motion. And that kind of energy from a front view alone is rare. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement parked on two wheels. Yamaha has equipped the R9 with a pair of piercing LED headlights that bring both flair and functionality. These aren't just lights, they're eyes with intent. The split headlamp design evokes a fighter jet look, making the front even more intimidating. With full LED units, including DRLs, the R9 shines bright whether it's day or night. The lights offer a wide throw with sharp cutoff lines, ensuring visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. Yamaha's signature lighting pattern is instantly recognizable, giving the R9 an unmistakable face. It's not just about seeing the road ahead. It's about being seen with authority. The headlamp housing blends smoothly into the bodywork, minimizing bulk and maximizing style. The LED units are energy efficient, drawing less power while offering superior brightness compared to traditional bulbs. At night, the R9 transforms into a glowing predator on the streets, with headlights that cut through darkness like a laser. The DRLs add a modern touch, making it clear this isn't just another middleweight sport bike. Whether you're cruising the city or attacking the canyons, the R9's headlights ensure you do it with unmatched presence. This is lighting with a purpose and personality. The rear of the Yamaha R9 is no less dramatic, thanks to its compact and angular LED taillight setup. The taillight seamlessly integrates into the bike's sharp tail section, preserving the minimalist and aggressive design. It glows with a crisp red light that's both futuristic and functional. With LED indicators flanking the tail, visibility from behind is never a concern. The slim profile of the lighting unit keeps the rear tidy, contributing to the bike's sleek silhouette. Yamaha clearly designed the taillight to echo the same confidence as the front, purposeful and poised. From a design perspective, the taillight looks like it's been lifted straight from a MotoGP machine. It completes the R9's aerodynamic story with elegance and edge. The integrated lighting keeps the rear compact, giving more attention to the exposed subframe and sharp tail cowl. When braking, the taillight pulses vividly, providing clear feedback to following traffic. It's a great example of how Yamaha balances form and function, making sure the bike looks amazing while keeping safety in check. The R9's tail section isn't just the end of the bike, it's the exclamation mark on its design. The Yamaha R9 roars to life through a centrally mounted, underbelly exhaust that screams performance while staying visually understated. Unlike some flashy setups, the R9's exhaust system is compact, aiding in weight centralization and improving handling. Its note, however, is anything but quiet. Fire it up and you're greeted with a deep, raspy growl that climbs into a scream as you ring it out. The engineers have clearly tuned this to offer an exhilarating auditory experience. The exhaust shape tucks neatly beneath the body, maintaining the clean and aggressive lines of the side profile. From a performance standpoint, this exhaust layout helps lower the center of gravity, improving the bike's balance during cornering. It also ensures better ground clearance, a plus for both track and street riding. The heat shielding is sleek and functional, avoiding any awkward bulkiness. Yamaha has employed high-grade materials that resist corrosion and enhance thermal efficiency. Even without aftermarket mods, this system delivers a soundtrack that excites and a design that impresses. It's proof that you don't need an oversized pipe to make a powerful statement. From behind, the Yamaha R9 presents a lean and focused silhouette, emphasizing its racing roots. The sharp tail section, slim seat, and exposed mechanical elements give it a no-nonsense attitude. It looks fast even when parked, with the taillight and turn signals forming a sleek visual line. The undertail design reduces visual clutter and keeps attention on the essentials. There's something undeniably sporty about the way the tail tapers off, almost like the bike is slicing through air even when standing still. Riders following behind won't just hear the R9 roar. They'll see it vanish in style. You'll also notice the symmetry in its form from the back. The rear tire is wide and planted, giving the R9 a muscular posture that speaks to its performance potential. The turn indicators are minimal but highly visible, staying true to the bike's clean design language. Even the license plate holder is stylish, mounted on a swing arm extension that keeps the bodywork undisturbed. Yamaha has taken great care to ensure that every angle of the R9 speaks performance and elegance. The rear view is less about looking back, and more about everyone else struggling to keep up. The side profile of the Yamaha R9 tells a story of purpose-driven design, blending sharp aerodynamics with raw mechanical presence. The fairings curve and slice like a katana blade, while the exposed frame elements remind you of the bike's structural toughness. The sculpted fuel tank sits like a muscular torso, shaping ergonomics for better rider grip during aggressive cornering. Even the seat follows a race-inspired taper that aligns seamlessly with the tail section. It's a design that prioritizes rider connection with the machine, whether you're hanging off on track days or commuting through tight city turns. From the aggressive rake to the compact rear, the R9 is lean, angular, and undeniably fast-looking from every angle. Take a closer look, and you'll appreciate how Yamaha carefully integrated the mechanical and visual elements. The aluminum Delta Box frame peeks through just enough to offer a glimpse of engineering excellence. You'll see how the engine tucks into the chassis like it was molded to fit. No wasted space, no awkward protrusions. The swing arm has a long, stable stretch to it, enhancing both visual flow and high-speed stability. With every detail, from the flush-mounted indicators to precision cut panels, the side view reinforces that this is a track weapon disguised as a road bike. Park it next to anything else, and it still stands out like a coiled-up animal ready to be unleashed. The Yamaha R9 rolls on lightweight, performance-focused wheels that not only enhance the bike's aesthetics, but dramatically improve its dynamics. These cast aluminum wheels are sculpted with a multi-spoke design, reducing unsprung mass for quicker turning and more responsive suspension behavior. Their matte black finish contrasts beautifully with the bike's bold body colors, giving the wheels an aggressive, stealthy look. Wrapped around them are sticky, high-grip performance tires that ensure the R9 hugs corners with confidence. On the track or on twisty roads, the grip levels inspire you to lean deeper, brake later, and accelerate sooner. Up front, you get dual disc brakes clamped by radial mount calipers, while the rear sports a solid rotor for balanced stopping power. Yamaha tuned the suspension and braking system around the wheels to offer razor-sharp handling and rock-solid feedback. The wide rear tire gives you that classic sport bike stance, while also improving acceleration and stability under hard throttle. These wheels may not shout for attention with flashy finishes, but their performance speaks volumes when you're riding hard. Every curve, every straight, every stoplight sprint becomes a playground when these wheels are in motion. They're built for riders who want to push limits, not just cruise streets. At the core of the Yamaha R9 lies a powerhouse, the revered 889 cubic centimeters CP3 inline triple engine. This isn't just a transplant from the MT-09. It's retuned and remapped to suit the aggressive nature of Supersport, producing approximately 117 horsepower and a surge of torque to the mid-range. This engine is all about thrilling acceleration and immediate response. With a distinctive, raspy growl, the triple-cylinder configuration offers a unique soundtrack that builds with intensity as you climb the revs. It's smooth when you're cruising and wild when you crack the throttle wide open. That versatility makes the R9 ideal for both street carving and track shredding. Mechanically, Yamaha CP3 engine is a marvel of engineering. Lightweight internals, forged pistons, and a high compression ratio all work together for explosive performance. The torque is so linear that you can pull cleanly from lower RPMs and higher gears. Yet the engine never hesitates when you drop a gear and go. Cooling is handled efficiently through a high-capacity radiator and oil cooling channels, ensuring optimal performance even during high-temperature sessions. Paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and quick shifter, gear transitions are seamless. You barely feel the shift, but you absolutely feel the thrust. This engine doesn't just move the R9, it transforms it into a living, breathing machine that responds to every input like a pulse to a heartbeat. Step into the cockpit of the Yamaha R9 and you're greeted with vibrant, full-color TFT instrument cluster, a digital command hub that matches the futuristic soul of the bike. This 5-inch screen is bright, high-resolution, and easy to read even under direct sunlight. The interface displays everything you need at a glance. Speed, RPM, gear indicator, fuel range, ride modes, and traction control settings. There are multiple display themes to choose from, each offering a unique layout based on riding preference. From track-focused readouts to minimalistic cruising screens, the transitions between menus are smooth and the controls intuitive, letting you make quick adjustments without ever taking your eyes off the road. But it's more than just a pretty display. It's a high-functioning tool designed for serious riders. You can access performance metrics like lean angle, G-force, and even throttle position in real time. With Bluetooth connectivity, your smartphone pairs to the bike for navigation, calls, and notifications right on the screen. Yamaha's menu system is well thought out and not buried in confusing layers like some competitors. You're in full control, whether adjusting rider aids on fly or keeping tabs on lap times at the track. This isn't just instrumentation. It's an interactive window into the R9's electronic brain and enhances every ride with precision data and rider-focused tech. The Yamaha R9 comes loaded with rider-focused technology designed to elevate every ride. It features a 6-axis IMU, enabling cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, and slide control, all drawn from Yamaha's racing pedigree. You also get a quick shifter and auto blipper as standard, enhancing performance and ride smoothness. The ride-by-wire throttle system ensures crisp response and customizable power delivery. Ride modes allow you to tailor the bike to your environment, whether it's wet streets or dry tarmac. Every electronic aid is designed to be helpful, not intrusive. Further enriching the experience is the Yamaha Ride Control app, which lets you fine-tune your ride settings via smartphone. The bike also features cruise control, launch control, and an upgradable track package for those who want even more. Ergonomically, it's smartly designed with adjustable levers, intuitive controls, and a perfectly positioned TFT screen. From safety to speed, the R9 is packed with innovation. It's not just a machine. It's an intelligent companion built to adapt and perform. Yamaha didn't just build a motorcycle here. They engineered a cutting-edge experience. That's the Yamaha R9, power, precision, and personality packed into one aggressive machine. Hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more high-performance two-wheeled reviews.